In a swift and coordinated operation, Tripura Police successfully rescued two minor girls who were abducted from the Kanchanmala area last Saturday. The abductors, identified as Sagar Mia and Jalphu Mia, were arrested from Guwahati, Assam and brought back to Tripura on Tuesday. The two girls, one Hindu and one Muslim, were allegedly abducted at the same time on Saturday. According to the families, Sagar Mia, son of Zabar Mia from Khairpur, forcibly abducted the Hindu girl, while Jalphu Mia from Kanchanmala abducted the Muslim girl. It has been reported that Jalphu Mia is a married man, though his wife had left him long ago. The families of the two girls immediately reported the incident to the Amtoli police station. Under the proactive leadership of Officer-in-Charge Paritosh Das, Tripura Police worked with their counterparts in Guwahati's Johorpad outpost to locate and detain the abductors and the girls. After completing all legal formalities in Guwahati, a team from Amtoli police station brought the two girls and the accused, Jalphu Mia and Sagar Mia, back to Tripura by air on Tuesday afternoon.
গুয়াহাটি থেকে গুয়াহাটি থানা থেকে হ্যাঁ তারা নিয়ে এসেছে আর দুইটা ছেলে সাগর মিয়া আর সাগর মিয়া বাড়ি খয়ারপুর কাঞ্চনমালা দুটা মেনা বাড়ি হ্যাঁ আমরা থানায় মামলা করেছি আমরা চাইছি দুটা ছেলে যাতে কঠোর শাস্তি হয় আর যাতে ভবিষ্যতে এসব না করতে পারে।
Following their arrival, the families of the victims filed a formal written complaint of abduction against the two men at the Amtoli police station. Both accused are currently held in the lockup at the Amtoli police station. Reported by Jivan from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.